In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your return rules in Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just getting started, keeping your return policies up to date is crucial for maintaining good customer relations and ensuring smooth operations for your store. To begin, let's navigate to your Shopify dashboard. This is your control center, where you can manage every aspect of your store, from products and orders to customer interactions and, of course, policies. So, head over to your Shopify dashboard to get started. Once you're in your dashboard, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon labeled Settings. Clicking this will open up a menu with various options related to your store's operations and configurations. This is where you can customize key elements of your online store to fit your business needs. From the Settings menu in the lower left, go ahead and select Policies. Here, you will find all the policies related to your store, including your return policies, which are crucial for providing transparency to your customers about how returns are handled. Doing this can greatly enhance customer trust and satisfaction, the backbone of online business success. Now, within the Policies section, look for the section labeled Return Rules. Getting this right is important because it outlines how your customers can return products, which can influence their buying decisions significantly. Once you locate the return rules, click on the Manage button next to it. This will allow you to review and edit the details of your return policy. At this point, you'll want to take note of several key factors in your return policy. First, identify your return window. This is the period during which your customers are allowed to return products. A clear return window helps set expectations for both you and your customers regarding allowable timeframes for returns, so make sure this aligns with your business's capabilities and customer service objectives. Next, consider the shipping cost involved in the return process. Decide whether the customer or your store will shoulder these costs. Clear information here helps prevent misunderstandings and potential disputes with customers. Also, don't forget to determine if there is a restocking fee. This is a fee charged back to the customer for returning an item, and it's essential to communicate this clearly if applicable. Again, transparency is key in fostering a trustworthy environment for your customers. Finally, ensure that these settings or changes you've made are turned on, visible, and actively applied above. It's a small step, but crucial to make sure everything is correctly saved and operational. And there you have it. You have successfully managed the return rules for your Shopify store. By keeping your return policies clear and up to date, you not only protect your business but also enhance customer satisfaction and trust in your brand.